Good evening, my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos and sit properly. Take out the textbook and running notes. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Okay, students. In last class, we discussed about percentage unit, how to change into percentage form, how to change into decimal form, fraction form, and from fraction form to how can we change into decimal form. We are discussing these topics. Okay, and from exercise revision exercise, first bit and second bit also completed. Yes, did you complete remaining one's problems? Did you complete? But anyone did not send to me homework. First, what are you doing? I don't know. First, just you listening and living. Yes, you did not practicing anyone. I hope that one only. Okay. Listen, children. What I am explaining, once you check the textbook and write in notebook and what have in your textbook remaining one also, once you practice, if you don't come, just you ask me. Okay, in next class also I will explain those problems. Okay, did you understand, Emma? Okay, first all of you on your videos, ma. I am taking attendance. Shivamani, Pallepati, Ajay, Meghana. What about remaining students? Okay, some are children still now did not write exam. Cheva Sai Teja and Karthik and Rishika, Mailar and Rishika. Okay, some are children are there. What about those students? I don't know. But tomorrow you come to school and write your exam. Okay, next the third bit. What is the third bit? Convert the following into fractions. In third bit, convert the following into fractions. Here given one decimals. Decimals. Okay, sorry. Percentage form. From percentage form to we have to change into fraction form. Okay, what is the percentage form? First one is 20%. First one is 20%. Now 20%, how can we write in fraction form? Say anyone. What is the form of fraction form? 20%. First, what is the meaning of 20%? What is 20% means what? 20 out of 100. So write in that one only, fraction form. 20%. How can we write in? Yes, very good. Preetham Reddy, 20 by 100. Good. %, well, 20 by 100. Any simplification is possible here? Any simplification? 21s are 20, 25s are 100. Yes, is it correct or not? 21s are 20, 25s are 100. What is the answer? 1 by 5. Okay, yes, very good. 1 by 5. %. This is the percentage form. Next, what is the fraction form? 1 by 5. Did you understand? Okay, next one. 48%. 48%. Same 48%. First we have to write in fraction form. How can we write first 48 out of 100? Yes. 48 by 100. After the simplification, what we get? We see. Simplification. With 4 table. We can do with 4 table. Yes? 4 12s are 4 12s are 48. 48 cancel and write 12. Next in 4 25s are 4 25s are 4 25s are 100. After the simplification, what we get answer? 12 by 25. Your parent is called. Okay, what is the answer? 12 by 25. 12 by 25 is fraction form of 2. 12 by 25 is fraction form of 48%. Did you understand, ma'am? If any doubt, if you have any doubt, okay, you can ask. Shivamani, on your video. Bhavani. Ajay, on your video. Ajay and Meghana, Shashi, Rahul. Next, Revali Sanjay, Preetam. Shashi. What about you, Shashi? Why are you not coming to exam? Huh? What is your problem? If you not complete your worksheet, you come to school. Here only you complete and write your exam. Okay? What is your doubt, Rashekar? Unmute yourself. Say, what is your doubt? Rajashekar. Where are you, boy? Remaining top of your house visible to me, but your face is not visible to me. Sit properly first you. Second one example. What is second one example? What is second one example, boy? I am not example problems. I am not explaining from exercise revision exercise. Third bit second one I am explaining. This is the from third bit second one. Next third one 75%. Once you try. Okay, afterwards you call me. Okay, then you ask me what is your doubt. Second one example I did not understand still now. Okay, next is 75%. 75%. How can we write in fraction form? 75 by 100. 75%. Write in fraction form, that is 75 by 100. After simplification, what we get answer? 25 3s are 75, 25 4s are 700. 25 3s are 75 divided by 25. And divided by 25. 25 3s are 75. 25 4s are 100. So 3 by 4. What is the fraction form? 3 by 4. Okay. Next, remaining 3 problems, complete your own. Okay. Next, remaining 3 problems, complete your own. One more, if you want any explanation, okay, I will give explanation. What is your doubt, Bhavani? Unmute yourself.
Teacher, explain fifth one, teacher.
Okay. What is fifth one? 32.5%. Yes. Did you complete first one? Complete fast. First one and second one and third one. Complete fast, ma. Fifth one is okay. In decimal number is there 32.5%. Percentage 32.5%. How can we write fraction form? 32.5 by 100. Here decimal number is there. Okay, decimal number. Decimal number we have to change into whole number. How can we change into whole number? Yes, 32.5 is decimal number. How can we change into whole number? What we do? Say students. From decimal to whole number. How can we convert into whole number? From decimal to whole number. What we do? In decimal unit, we learned that one. Point after. How many digits are there? One digit. So what we do? One digit. Srishant. One digit. Digit. I am not asking about number. Only one digit. Very good, Sana. Only one digit is there. So what we do? Multiply by 10. Yes, multiply by 10. That then point will change next number. Okay, point will change after next number. So then what number will come here? 325 by 1000. Here multiply by 10. 32.5 into 10 by 100 into 10. Here after one digit is there. Then we multiply by 10, 100, 1000. Next point will change next numbers. Means after 5. Then what will come here? 325. So what is the number? 325 by 1000. Now we have to do simplify here. How can we do simplify? With 5 first of all. With 5. Here 5 is there. In 325, 1's place 5 is there. So this number exactly divisible by? Fifth one not understand. Yes, I am explaining that one only, boy. 32.5%. 32.5. We have to write divide out of 100. So 32.5 by 100. This is a fraction form. So here decimal number is there. So decimal number we have to change into whole number. How can we change into whole number? Here point after one digit is there. So multiply by 10. Is it clear? Satvik. Multiply by 10. Not only in numerator, in denominator also. Then 325 by 1000. Now simplify. 5 with 5. First of all with 5. Because of here in 1's place 5 is there. So 325 is exactly divisible by 5. And next 1000 also exactly divisible by 5. 5 6 are 30. Next 5 5s are 25. Next 5 2s are 0. Next 65. Again 5. 5 13s are 5 4s are. Okay, 13 by 40. Now we cannot do here simplify. Yes, here 13 is there and here 40 is there. So 13 and 40, any common factor not there. That's why we cannot do simplify here. Okay, did you understand, ma? Here 13 by 40. Both numbers, any common factor here not there. That's why we cannot do simplify here. So this is the answer. 13 by 40. But here 325 by 1000, 325 and 1000 common factor is 5. So we can simplify here. That is 5 6 are 30. Next 5 5 are 25. Next 5 2s are 10. Remaining 2 zeros. Means 205 is 1000. Next 65 5s are 325. Next again here simplify is possible. So next 65 and 200 common factor is 5. Again 5. So 5 30s are 65. 5 40s are 200. Okay, after the simplification we get 13 by 40. Here 13 by 40. But 13 and 40 any common factor not do. Okay, any common factor not have. So we cannot do simplify here. So 13 by 40 is answer. Is it clear, Emma? Bhavani, Dulam Satvik. Next remaining. If you have any doubt, okay, you can ask me. No, no doubt. Very good. Write down. Okay. క్లాసులో ఒక 10 మినిట్స్ అయితే అయిపోతుంది ఇంకా అయిపోయింది your wish as your wish okay okay what happened Amma? Less students are there now. What happened? Only 14 students are there. Did you complete? Okay, did you understand this bit? Only third bit. Any doubt? Satvik, right? Okay. Next to fourth bit. What is fourth bit? Convert the following percentages into decimals. Percentages into decimals. Into decimals. Okay, first one is 12%. Okay, 12%, we can write in percentage form. From percentage to fraction form. How can we write it? 12%. How can we write it? Fraction form. 12 by 100. Yes, is it correct or not, children? 12 by 100. 12% equal. 12% is nothing but 12 by 100. Okay, any percentage given also we have to write in fraction form. Just number right and remove the percentage symbol and denominator we have to write 100. That is the fraction form. Out of 100. 12 is out of 100. Now we can write in decimal form. How can we write in decimal form? Say anyone, what is the decimal form of 12 by 100? Very easy. In denominator 10, 100 and 1000 is there. We can write in decimal form very easily. Here 100 is there. So what we write? In decimal form. Not practicing. That's why you're not saying answers. Point after 2 digits, Amma. Here the 2-digit number only have. So we can write 0.12. Simply we have to write 0.12. This is the only answer. This is only decimal form. Decimal form of 12%. Okay, next one 27%. Say second one 27%. What is the decimal form? Without writing fraction form also we can write in decimal form. How can we write? 27%. First write in fraction form. fraction form? Are you listening or simply sitting? 27 by 100. First 27 by 100 is fraction form. 0.27 is decimal form. Very good, Bhavani. 27 by 100. Now we can write in decimal form 0.27. Okay? Did you understand? How can we write in decimal form from percentage form to? Shivamani, did you understand, boy? Shivamani, okay. Next one more. 48%. %. 48 by 100 and decimal form. What is the decimal form of 48 by 100? 0.48. 48 by 100. Next is 0.48. Okay. Next is fifth one. Okay, next fourth one. What is fourth one? 6%. 6% is nothing but 6 by 100. Next. How can we write in decimal form? What is the decimal form of 6 by 100? 0.06. 0.06. Next. What is this? Fifth one is 12.5%. 12.5 by 100. Is 12.5 by 100. Very good. 0.125. When we divide it by 100, 10,000, point will change before numbers. Before two numbers, before three numbers, before one number. For example, here divided by 10 is there, point will change here, 1.25. Here 100 is there, point will change before two numbers. Here 1000 is there, point will change before three numbers. Then 0.0. But here 12.5 given. So here divided by 100. When we divide it by 100, point will change before two numbers, before two-digit number. So 0.125. Good, very good. Multiply by in decimal number, with decimal number multiply by 10, 100, 1000, point will change next to numbers. Okay, next after numbers, point after numbers. Point will change point after numbers. But divided by 10, 100, 1000, point will change point before numbers, before digits. Means left side. Okay, divided by 10, 100, 1000, point will change left side. Next, you multiply by 10, 100, 1000, point will change point after digits or next right side of the number. Okay, did you understand this one? First, you don't forget this one, children. Divided by 10, 100,000 and multiply by 10, 100,000. You don't forget this one. Okay, your competitive exams, it will come this one. Okay, in Gurukul, next, you are writing na some are competition exams, then it will come very. So that's why you listen and you listen carefully. You listen carefully and you note down in your notebook also. Okay, you don't forget. You remember this one. Without we cannot do also. Without doing also, we can write answer very easily. This one divided by 100, 10, 1000. Next multiply by 10, 100, 1000. You no need to do division or multiplication. Without do also, we can write answer very easily. Okay, multiply by 10, 100,000, point will change to right side. Next, divided by 10, 100,000, point will change to left side. Okay, point before number and point after number. Okay, you don't forget this one. Okay, next. Okay, third bit and fourth bit completed, children. From third bit, fourth bit, remaining two problems are there. The two problems complete your own. Only 12 members. These 12 members only having attendance. Who's this one? One Rahul and Bhairav and Sai Charan, Preetam, K. Bhavani, K. Shivamani, Pallepati Ajay Kumar, Pradeep, Chava Sai Teja, and Sana, and next Satvik and Srishant. I'm giving attendance only these members. Rajput Nirma. Next, what about remaining Karthik? So many children are not listening class, end of the class. Only 12 members. Okay. Okay, did you understand, Amma? If you have any doubt, okay, you can ask me. Okay, understand. No doubts. Rizwan, I think Rizwan also gone. Leave the class. Okay. Okay, students, I hope you understand today's class. Okay. Next, what I am given homework, you complete and you send me pics. Next, in tomorrow class, I will explain. Next, word problems from revision exercise. What is the percentage of given one? I will explain in tomorrow class. Okay, students. Thank you everyone. K. Bhavani, very good. End of the class, she is in class only.